Halo, welcome to Learn Indonesian with Maria. In today's video, we will learn how to say Happy Independence Day in Indonesian language. If you're learning Indonesian or planning to visit Indonesia in August, this is a phrase that you need to know. So, how to say Happy Independence Day in Indonesian? In Indonesia, we will say Selamat Hari Kemerdekaan. Let's say it together slowly. Selamat Hari Kemerdekaan. Selamat Hari Kemerdekaan. Selamat Hari Kemerdekaan. Let me break it down for you. Selamat means happy or congratulations. Hari means day. And kemerdekaan means independence. So together, Selamat Hari Kemerdekaan means Happy Independence Day. You can say this to your Indonesian friends, teachers, or anyone you meet on Indonesian Independence Day. Anyway, I will give you a bonus phrase that often used in ceremonies or official posters. Dirgahayu Republik Indonesia. It means Long Life Republic of Indonesia. Let's say it together slowly. Dirgahayu Republik Indonesia. Dirgahayu Republik Indonesia. Dirgahayu Republik Indonesia. This phrase is often shortened to Dirgahayu RI, and you will see it a lot of in banners, social media posts, and public celebration. Thank you for watching this video. If you think this video is useful, don't forget to give like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video. Selamat Hari Kemerdekaan!